What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today marks a pretty big day for me. Today I start selling my own spoilers for the Z06 Corvette. So I know a lot of you guys have the low wing, which comes with 10 holes in a rear bumper. Now, a lot of you guys aren't gonna wanna Bondo that and repaint it. So I've come up with an upgrade for all of us. I've got carbon fiber and forged carbon wings in this box. Today we're gonna install both of them on the Z06 so I can show you what they look like. We'll go over pricing for the wing and the winglets, and I'll also be offering installation in the Central Florida area, so we'll go over that as well. But I'm gonna go ahead and get this box cracked open, and in the meantime, here's a message from today's video sponsor, Country Meats. Country Meats is a family-owned and operated business located in Ocala, Florida that supports fundraisers throughout the country with a range of delicious snack sticks. With over 13 flavors and 9 grams of protein, they make a great everyday snack. Order your free sample pack today and go support a fundraiser of your choice and enjoy some delicious Country Meats. Thank you, Country Meats, for sponsoring today's video. Now let's go get those wings installed. It's taking me a minute to get this thing open. It looks like we got a box within a box. Love the packaging. Guys, I am super excited about getting this wing on. I've been running wingless for about 2 months because I've been using the stock OEM wing as a template. So this has been a long wait for me. I am so pumped. We're getting close. Oh baby, we are getting close. I gotta turn this thing the other way. All right, so in this shipment, they sent 2 of the 5 wings. I've got the carbon fiber and the forged carbon and the winglets. I've got 3 more sets coming right behind in about 2 days. They did a phenomenal job packaging this stuff. We're gonna show you guys the winglets first. I don't know if this is the carbon fiber one or the forged carbon one. All righty, here comes our first unwrapped piece. Let's see what we got here. Woo! Check that out, guys. That is beautiful. I guess we'll install the carbon fiber one first, and then we'll do the forged carbon after. And here's our matching carbon fiber one for the other side. So I'm gonna be offering the set of carbon fiber winglets for $4.99. The forged ones that we haven't seen yet, those are gonna go for $5.99. They're a little bit more expensive. So if you guys just wanna upgrade just the winglets on the car, you guys can do that for $4.99. But if we pair it up with the wing, there'll be an extra discount. Carbon fiber rear wing. Woo! Look at that. So we went with the V pattern. So you can see there's a line right in the middle, and then all the carbon fiber makes a V pattern. So you'll notice the stock wing comes with 10 studs that are mounted into the spoiler. With ours, we put the nuts in there, and then we got bolts that bolt up from underneath it. All the wings will come with double-sided tape, just like the winglets on the bottom. So I'm gonna be offering just the spoiler for $9.99. So you'd buy this if you just wanna use your stock winglets. But if you guys wanna go full carbon fiber, I'm gonna be offering the entire set for $11.99. So you'll get the wing, the winglets. You're basically gonna get like a $300 discount if you get both. And then I'm also gonna be offering installation if you're in Central Florida. So if you don't wanna take that rear bumper off, the wheels off, get this thing all done by yourself, just let me know. I'll come by your house, I'll do it. I'm gonna charge $500 for installation. I know that sounds like a lot, but there's a lot to do. I'm gonna show you exactly what we gotta do. We gotta take off the wheels, the bumper, take the old spoiler off, put the new spoiler on, and reassemble everything. So it takes quite a bit of time. There's a lot of risk associated with it. But I've done it about 1,000,000 times, so you're definitely in good hands. And if you like getting your hands dirty, you're more than welcome to help me out, and we can do it together in your garage. But let's go ahead and get the car jacked up in the air, show you guys how to get the rear bumper off the car, get this thing installed, and then we'll get the forged carbon one done. Carbon fiber spoiler installed. Let's check out the fitment, make sure we're not hitting it. Woo! She fits perfect. Check that out. Oh, she looks so good. Man, that came out absolutely perfect. I've got the stainless bolts and washers on there. How do you guys feel about that? Would you like to see stainless or black? Sometimes the black bolts do rust, but yeah, tell me what you guys think. I mean, they're kind of low. You don't really see them. I don't have the correct size on me right now, but just for visual purposes, this is what a black one would look like. So would you like stainless or black? And look what just came in. So now we've got 4 sets of carbon fiber wings. Actually, one's already sold, so I've got 3 sets of carbon fiber wings. The forged carbon's going on here. Speaking of the forged carbon, let's get it open. So I only ordered one forged carbon wing because I didn't know how popular forged carbon would be. I know a lot of people love just the regular carbon fiber, but as soon as I sell one more wing, I'll put it in another order, so I'll get another forged carbon here in case anybody wants one. Actually, I'll have to put an order for 2 of them because I've got a buddy in Ocala that wants a forged carbon wing as well. I think this forged carbon is gonna look so good with the green wrap. And the moment I've been waiting for, because this is my wing. Oh man, I can't get this thing off fast enough. Come on. Oh baby, forged freaking carbon. Look at that. That looks wild. That on this green paint. Woo! That is gonna look so good. What do you guys prefer? You guys prefer forged carbon or regular carbon? 2 totally different looks. And last but not least, the forged carbon wing. Let's see what this thing's gonna look like. Woo! Look at that. There we go. Check that out. Now you guys can see the difference between forged carbon and regular carbon. So the forged carbon wing is gonna go for $100 more. This one's gonna be $10.99. The wickers are gonna go for $5.99. But when you buy them as a pair, you're gonna get that same $300 discount. So for the pair, you're looking at $13.99. There's our fully assembled forged carbon right next to our fully assembled carbon fiber. Leave a comment below, guys. Which one do you like better, forged or regular? Which one would you go with? Guys go. We got the forged carbon spoiler on there now. What do you guys think? So now that the car is actually put on the ground, you can see that you can barely see those screws and bolts. But which color would you guys like better? Silver, stainless, or black? I really need to know so I can figure out which ones to put in there. Maybe I'll just put both of them in there so you guys can figure out which ones you want. But there she is, man. I cannot believe it. It's finally here. It's finally on the car. Super happy with it. I love the spoiler. If you guys want one, I've got 3 more. Just go ahead and email me at RearWheelDriveC8@gmail.com. Here's the carbon wing one more time so you can check that out. These are what I have 3 left of. I don't think you can go wrong. I think you'd be happy with either one. Just want to thank Country Meats one more time for sponsoring today's video, and as always guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Later.